Okay, morning guys. Welcome to the workshop. It's winter here. Holy crap! You see that? I had to break out the old work shirt. Couldn't even find one. I have a bunch of them. Couldn't even find one this morning. This one's covered in dog hair, which might be Max's actually. I think it's the old dog. It's been a while. Got wood ash in my breakfast. And what we have here is deliciousness. Cow tongue rice soup. Like congee or something like that, you know, but a lot better. Very popular Thai food, that's for sure. Breakfast food mainly, I guess. There's a few different ones, but this is the cow tongue is the popular one in my circles. The wife made that this morning. It is delicious. It's got big chunks of pork and lots of garlic. Good stuff. It's cold here now. It's 3 or 4 days in a row now. I think it was 11 when I got up this morning. 11 degrees Celsius. Whatever that is. In Fahrenheit, I call it cold. You know, normally it's 22, maybe 25 in the morning. It's actually cold all day yesterday. And windy. The wind's died down a bit now. Well, the trees on the other side of the house are going pretty good. Here it's a little bit more out of the wind. The way the workshop is built, the house blocks the wind when this time of year. Wind's normally from the northeast this time of year. So I'm sitting out here, have my breakfast, complain about the weather, play with the fire. Life's good. Just cold. This is good, man. The wife was up at the crack of dawn for some reason, cooking. I woke up to the house smelling like fried garlic. That's not a bad thing. If you like the smell of fried garlic, anyway. If you're one of those strange people that don't like garlic, probably not so good. Look at that. This is cilantro root. Cilantro root is an ingredient here. Oh, look at that, huh? This has cilantro root. There's another one, and Chinese celery in it. I'm sure this will be a video on the cooking channel once we finally get that started. I still haven't painted the kitchen yet. Need to paint the kitchen, install the sink, and get a stove. I'm gonna have one of these in there for sure, and a single gas burner, kind of like the street food guys use. Those things put out a massive amount of heat. Remember my broken screwdriver? That's the handle. Gone now. A lot of people like this soup for a hangover. As I don't have a hangover, I don't know if it works, but my goats are not happy. Oh, last night, I don't know what time, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, the ducks were going nuts. I had to come out and see what's going on. That was interesting. Freezing cold, and I'm out here in my underwear. Walking around trying to figure out what's going on. Yeah, thank you, ducks. I was just worried the goats can jump the wall and go in with the ducks. You don't do it very often, but they've done it a couple of times. If something spooks them, they can do it. Like one day there was a bunch of kids in the neighbor's yard scaring the goats and making them crazy, and they jumped. One of them jumped the wall, pushed open the barn door, because the barn door doesn't latch, you know, it's just got a counterweight on it. When I came around the house, the goat was standing there waiting for me. But that wasn't the case. It was the ducks were fighting. I don't know why. Maybe they were trying to stay warm. It was freezing cold. But a lot of noise. The first time I thought somebody opened the barn door. You know, because the door makes a lot of noise, and I did that on purpose. Well, I didn't do it on purpose. I kept it like it on purpose. For if somebody who don't know decides to come in here. It's very hard to close that door quietly. And I know about it. I know how to do it. If somebody new would bang the door, but they wouldn't bang it repeatedly, you know. But it woke me up right away. I haven't had any issues since I built this new barn, but I did lose a chicken before, and it was one that was sitting on eggs. I know she didn't fly away. For one, she was sitting on eggs, so a mom wouldn't normally fly away. And when I put her in there, I clipped her wings. So she had recently got her wings clipped within a week, so she couldn't fly. She was in the nest box sitting on a bunch of eggs. She's not just going to disappear. Somebody helped himself to an easy chicken. Pretty sure I know who it was. There's a kid across the road that would steal your eyes if you weren't looking. It seems to have stopped now. But a lot of houses got broken into here within a few weeks. And he was always the one who got the blame. Stealing all kinds of stuff. Anything worth money. Any gold, lots of gold. Amazing how many people have gold chains and stuff in their house. Telephones, watches, you know, anything that's worth money. But the thing is, what's he doing with it? This is a maybe 12-year-old kid. Somebody is buying it from him, right? And all of a sudden, this kid's got money. Where are you getting your money from, kid? The police have been here 2 or 3 times. They had him in the police station all day one day. But there's no proof, you know. Nothing the police can do. He won't admit to it, and he won't admit it, and then nobody's got any proof. The wife's aunt's house got broken into 3 or 4 times. So you don't have anything, you know. After you go in once and realize there's nothing there, why go back? But it stopped now. It's been a few months now, probably 3 months since I've heard anything. Hello, dude. You hear my bow? Ding, 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 ding. Huh? You want some? You gotta go talk to Mom. Mom got some for you. I'm not gonna share. Crazy puppy. Crazy puppy. Leo has been going around and around the rabbits for 2 hours now. I think you'd get tired, wouldn't you? Want some cilantro root? You eat that? You crazy dog. Huh? There you go. Nothing goes the way it's there. Not with Duke Dick. He still eats crazy. Absolutely insane when there's food. He'll sit now on command, but nothing else. And if he thinks there's food in your hand, he'll try and eat your hand. Hello, buddy. Hello. Hi. Good boy. You're the security now, right? And Leo, day shift security, you're night shift. Yeah? Yeah? Since it's been cold the last few nights, his wife won't let him sleep outside. Too cold. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, buddy. How you doing, huh? You really want to play with the rabbits, huh? He might be over here, but he's looking at the rabbits. Aw, you crazy dog. Leave the rabbits alone. Look at that, huh? You need a shower, Lily. You big old hairy dog. I'm gonna burn my old ash shovel. I have a new one. That's crazy, Bobby. He's eating the chicken food now for the chickens outside. He drinks out of their water. Nothing is off limits for him. I don't know what I'm going to do today. If it stays this cold, it'll be something inside. It's blowing again now. These trees are not moving over here, are they? The other side of the house are going like crazy. Alright guys, I guess that's it. Breakfast in the workshop. It was good. There's the goats. I haven't fed any of the animals yet. I don't, you know, people think that you gotta feed chickens at 6 o'clock in the morning or something crazy. I've never done that. My chickens get fed between 8 and 9 o'clock. And the goats and all of them, you know. Between 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to get up at the crack of dawn to go feed chickens. If they don't know it's supposed to be 6 o'clock in the morning, then they're not going to complain. And it's not like they're hungry. I feed them at night. So they got a nice belly full of food anyway. But yeah, I don't see the point in doing it early, you know, unless I'm going somewhere, then I do it early, obviously, but alright guys, well that's it. Thanks for joining me in the workshop for a bowl of soup on this cold morning.